Hey friends, if you wish to fix a no internet connection issue in Microsoft Office, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, before anything else, go to fast.com and check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? Okay. If it is, then it is sorted. But if it is not good enough, then you will have to troubleshoot the internet connection speed first. Once it is sorted out that the internet connection is working fine, and if you still face this issue, then the next solution is to repair Microsoft Office. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and then you can search for Office here. Click on these three dots corresponding to the Microsoft Office application. Select modify, select online repair, and then click on repair to initiate the online repair process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.